Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you. And sir, congratulations for your new job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was trying for that PM 2.5, and I
Yes.
was not able to do because I have seen your videos, the YouTube videos, which you have shared with us, and in that video, the code which you have explained, I think so there was a problem in that video. That there were two videos at that time, and I was not able to get the answer for that.
Okay. Okay. So kindly share with your problem. I will try to.
Yes, yes. Okay. Sir, are you able to get my?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, sir. So first we have to find, sir, AOD na, for finding
Yes.
PM2.
Yes.
So I will share you that script for AOD.
Yes.
This is what the is this right code for AOD?
Yeah.
Can you just check it, sir, please?
Yeah. Is it okay? No problem.
So once this is exact, this is the correct one, sir.
Yeah.
Code.
Yeah. It's correct. No problem.
So one after getting this, can I run this, sir?
Yeah. Run it. Yeah.
Okay. Here the images are, sir, 35,027 images.
27. Yes.
Uh, so so chart chart will be not printed, no, sir.
That is also created. Yes. As is also created because it in this time it take the short time period. There is no problem. That is also created
So should I
only
run
for the
that
1 month.
code also for chat? Sir, is this the right code
Yes.
for
Yes. So.
chat?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But I
So
have to check the scale, sir. I have to check the scale. Na?
change the scale
Ek
and
minute.
also change the your region shapefile variable name.
Okay, okay. So modis data. Modis. Sorry, I have to search here AOD.
This AOD data.
AOD data. This one. And the scale is no scale is given, sir.
Click on the bands
In bands.
1000
0.0.
meter.
This one. 1000 meter. 1000. Yes.
Uh-huh.
ROI here. Table I will write. Region table and
Not is it table or is it AOI? Your whole Hafur boundary is stored in the AOI.
AOI. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is AOI. AOI. Yes, yes. AOI. Okay, sir. Should I run now?
Yeah, run. And this modis AOD dataset, we also need to reprojected the scale value. So you can see the dataset information, data catalog page, what is AOD.
Yeah.
They already provide some scale. You can see
Uh,
0.001.
yes.
This things we need to multiply with all of images using the function
Ha ha.
concept.
This one. This
Yeah, yeah,
var. Yes. This no sir.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Um, yes. This same. Like this.
Yeah.
So
So now, yeah. So now in this time, we can see this value show about the very high
yes.
1,100,
1,000.
500. But when you reprojected it, then we can get that actual value.
So what should I write here? Var.
So now, okay, is it also okay? Variable, you can set the variable name, any variable I can put.
Uh, I will say reproject.
And
Okay.
further, just simply change the scale, multiply, just simply put the scale value.
0.001. Run. Should I run, sir?
And then, no, then you can simply change the collection. Okay, in this time, your image collection will be reproject this variable. Stored the reproject. You can see the reproject variable name. Simply copy and put here the, instead of the data set, just put here.
Well, here.
No, no, image collection, you can see.
Here.
Yeah, yeah. As well as also need to change it for your the this 25 number line, also need to change. Yeah, yeah. So
Data
in this
set
time we can get
reproject.
that reprojected result of modis AOD. Yeah. So now click on run. So now we can get the proper chart, the actual value, as well as also we can get that proper map. But in this time, it show this type of problem: projection unable to compute the intersection of geometries, projection SR. Okay, projection error, unable to compute the intersection of geometry in properties. Okay, or these things. Okay, we take a return image, copy property, system time start, system time in. That's okay. Okay, so you try to make a boundary, mainly rectangle boundary on your
Oh,
study area. Okay, then try.
because of
Suppose it
that,
is,
it may happen.
yeah.
One previous also, sir, this happened. But so what if suppose I have to do it for a particular region?
Okay,
Then
okay. So this problem is that mainly projection. So this projection, the shapefile projection, and this dataset projection, mainly your image projection is not same.
okay. Then
So that's
how?
why it will be show. I think your shapefile is that mainly it show about that projected coordinate system.
Okay. So should I
So
change the save file, sir?
yeah, try, and basically it's
Okay.
supported only for that your geographic coordinate system. There is no
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Basically this type of image, it the geographic coordinate system is set it all
Okay.
of
Okay.
image collection.
Okay. So I will just one minute. I will see this bonus table. Now let's see. This one. This is. So I will rename as AOI. Again, same thing.
Okay, I think it also same shape file, same coordinate system about. So you try to draw a boundary, then try to check what happened. First,
Okay.
draw a boundary or rectangle which
Rectangle.
cover your study area. Yeah, yeah. Then use this geometry and try to make the time series chart.
No, I will directly rename this geometry. AOI. Now it is
Yeah, so
working.
now it's work because in this time, this geometry and this image is the same georeference.
So, if suppose I have downloaded a shapefile, how to convert that shapefile into that this system?
Okay. Okay, so for that we have to use the ArcMap software or
Uh,
QGIS software.
okay.
Just convert georeference.
Ha. Yes.
Yes.
In
And then try to
QGIS,
import.
then you have to download that shapefile.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
And I hope it will be okay. No.
Okay. Now, so I have got this. I have got this. Uh, yeah. So I will download this CSV file.
Yeah,
Okay. So I have downloaded this CSV file.
yeah,
Now, sir, I need a ground truth data.
yeah. And in this time, it also another way is that in this time it show about that your time series chart. Okay, but not it show about that locational value, mainly your geolocation value not showing in here.
Okay.
So it also better we have to extract the some geolocation value from here, from
Okay.
your map.
Okay.
Okay, and this same geolocation you have to also extract the information from ground.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Suppose you when you want to go to your field,
Huh.
you can simply check your GPS location. Okay, then
Okay.
take the ground truth data. Okay,
Huh.
then all of GPS location also need to import in your Google Earth engine. Suppose CSV file, we can easily import all of latitude, longitude things. We can easily
Huh.
import, and further we also try to extract the same location from the AOD.
Okay. How to do
Okay,
that, sir? Sir, one thing, one minute, sir. So I have the ground truth data. Let me show
yeah,
you, sir. One sec.
yeah, just open.
Desktop, air monitoring, and sir, this is so. so yes, sir. Can you see the PDF?
Yes, yes. So is it available for the latitude, longitude value or
Oh,
not?
oh, no, no, sir. One minute, sir. I think so. I have a PM here. Yes, see, sir. This is for a particular region, sir. This value,
Okay. Okay.
not
So
a
you try
particular
to,
location.
yeah. So you try to find out this particular location, mainly your latitude and longitude value or geo coordinate. We have to find
Okay.
out. Okay.
Okay.
Further, we just try to import this geo coordinate all of value in
Hmm.
Google Earth engine, and
Hmm.
from this value you extract the information. Then we can get the one result from satellite image and another result from our ground, mainly PM2.5.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
then
so for
using
this
these two
part,
data, yeah,
okay, for particular Pune, so I have to insert the land
latitude and longitude.
latitude longitude in the Google Earth engine here.
Oh, you can just make a CSV file. In this CSV
Ha
file, you can simply import all of location, latitude, longitude
Here
value.
in asset I can import
Yeah, yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Then simply import the asset of CSV file,
And
and from this
the
CSV file, we extract the value.
then in the inspector term, just click on that. I will get the value. Right, now, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
it's a randomly you can also do it, but it also possible to at the same time all of value extract for from your image for your point. It
Okay.
also possible.
Okay, okay. So that I have to do, and I have to compare the those two data, na, sir.
Yeah. So after when you can get this data, suppose you can get this same for the same point or same location, you can get the data for PM2.5 from ground, and you also get the data for AOD
Hmm.
from the satellite imagery. Okay.
Okay.
After
Uh,
that, we are just use here the linear regression y equal to mx plus c.
ha.
Here y mainly y equal to mx plus c. Here y is considered about that PM2.5.
Okay.
Mx, M mainly it's a slope, and
Yes.
X mainly AOD data, plus C mainly intercept value.
So that can be done using scatter plot diagram, na, sir, in the Excel.
Yes, yes, yes. So just mainly linear equation we can create. It also possible using the Excel. Excel is also possible, as well as also possible for Python,
Oh,
NumPy library or
okay.
this type of things. We can also use it, and we can easily find out the linear equation y equal to mx plus c, and from where you can also generate about that what is the slope value, what is the intercept value. Then when we can get this type of value, we can easily use this type of equation in code, and then we can
Ha.
easily
This
get the
code, sir.
result from AOD to PM2.5.
Like, one minute, sir.
Okay, so here you can see the code. Yeah,
Here, here code. This code.
Yeah. So here you can see, suppose here you can see, we can write the code look like that, multiply 0. It is our scale value.
Huh,
You can
huh.
see this is that your m slope value, okay,
Hmm.
plus c, add mainly similarly intercept value
20. Yeah.
20.24. So this
Huh.
is the intercept value. It
Okay.
generate from this equation.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So how many values should I take from Google Earth Engine and from the ground to generate the equation?
Okay, so how much you can take from the ground? Same you can also take from this Google Earth Engine value.
How minimum? How much it is required?
Minimum 20 for getting the
20 is
best result, or more is there is no problem. So minimum try to add the 20
okay.
location
Hmm.
data.
Okay. So,
You can also
the data should be month wise or it can be year wise.
okay, so basically in this time it also depend on your ground truth imagery.
So
Suppose
I
you
have,
take the image. Yeah.
sir, I have this monthly data also, sir. 1 minute, sir. Sorry.
Monthly ground truth data.
Ha, monthly ground.
Okay, then you can also get the monthly satellite data. You can also get it, no problem. And further you just compare and then create the linear equation.
Yes, sir. Where is it? Where is it? I am not able to find it. 1 minute, sir. Result. Month wise. See.
Yeah.
This is month wise data, sir.
Okay,
January,
so no problem.
February.
You can also do it for that AOD. Get the monthly data.
Uh,
Extract the monthly data.
uh.
Also no
So,
problem. Then
but sir, so I want to ask, sir, that linear regression. Suppose I took values from year of 2023 and the ground truth data of 2023. So for 2022, again I have to repeat the same procedure. I have to again do the linear regression.
yeah, you can also do it. But if you have no data for 2022, then you can also use it.
Directly I can use it.
Yeah.
Okay, so for 1 year data is sufficient for
Yes,
all.
yes, it also.
So I am doing for 2021, 22, and 23. If suppose I get the ground truth data of 23, so I can apply same value for 20 to 23.
Yes, you can also do it. But for this, we also get the some low accuracy value because it's the another. Okay, so it also better to use for the. But if you have no data for ground for 2022, then you can also use it. No problem.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello. Can
Hello,
you hear
sir.
me now? Yeah. I can hear you. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir, what about PM10? PM10.
Okay. PM10 MODIS AOD dataset. Basically, we can generate from the PM 2.5. Okay, I think it is also possible to also PM10. Okay, we have to find out
So
that.
how to do that?
Yeah. So for that, okay, I need to some literature check about that. Okay, what is the process is the
Okay,
same. Okay, process is
okay,
the same, but I think we also need to some more modification when you work for the PM 2.5.
okay.
So
So
basically, in
I
this
will.
time, PM 2.5 is already lot of paper is already published using the MODIS AOD data, and PM 2.5 they are used and published lot of paper. But PM10 is not published yet. But we can also find out the some source about that.
Okay, sir. So I will also find, sir. You also find. If suppose I
Okay,
get it, I will share with you. If you get
okay,
it,
no
you
problem.
share with me, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, thank you so much, sir. My doubts are
Thank you.
clear, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, have
Thank
a
you,
good
sir.
night.
Yes, yes. Good night,
Okay,
sir.
bye.